A thorough legal examination reveals that the application of the Genocide Convention by the tribunal was flawed, as we will explain below. Let's first define the term genocide. In Article 2 of the Convention on the Prevention and Punishment of the Crime of Genocide, which was formally adopted by the United Nations General Assembly in 1948, what is genocide in this convention? A. Killing members of the group. B. Causing serious bodily or mental harm to members of the group. C. Putting the group in living conditions that will bring about its physical destruction in whole or in part. D. Imposing measures to prevent births within the group. E. Forcibly transferring children of the group to another group. It's important to note that the term genocide was coined after World War II. During the war, Winston Churchill described the systematic extermination of Jews during the Nazi invasion of Russia in 1941, Operation Barbarossa, as a crime without a name. Only after the war and the Holocaust, which was an inseparable part of it, did Polish Jewish lawyer Raphael Lemkin coin the term genocide to describe the murder of Jews during the Holocaust. This term is a combination of two words, geno, the Greek word for race or tribe, and cide, the Latin word for murder. Now, returning to the language of Article 2 of the Convention. According to this article, the term genocide contains two essential elements. One, mens rea. Mens rea, the criminal intent, the intention to destroy a national, racial, or religious group. And two, actus reus, the criminal act, the physical act of destroying the group of part or part of it.